Hey, in this video, I will show you a very simple tutorial on how to buy the MyKitty token. And I will show you how to do it on any iPhone and on any Android device. But before we start, just make sure you give the video a like for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe if you're new. Really helps out the channel. So to actually buy the MyKitty token, you will need a few things. First, you need Binance. It's basically the cheapest way to buy the cryptocurrencies that you need to swap for the MyKitty token. But I'll show you how to do it. Don't worry. And then you need two apps. So you can sign up for Binance with the link in the description down below. It's an affiliate link, full disclosure here, and it helps out the channel. And while we are at it, this video is no financial advice. All of these coins can crash at any second or go to the moon in any second. I'm no financial expert. So to actually buy the MyKitty token, what you need to do is first thing, you want to go on Google and just type in MyKitty. There's other ways to do it, with BSC scan and other ways, but the easiest way is just mykitty.com. So you go there and you want to click on buy on PancakeSwap, and it will basically redirect you to the PancakeSwap website. So you want to click on I understand, continue, and here it says section required for all LP tokens. You must complete migration. So you want to migrate real quick, and it's you can do it on your own if you need that, or you can just go get the MyKitty token, and you want to unlock your wallet. It says here that we can get MyKitty tokens for BNB, but we gotta switch from BNB to MyKitty tokens, and we want to unlock the wallet. I personally like the Trust Wallet, so you can click on Trust Wallet and unlock it. Another way to actually do it is just download the Trust Wallet app from the App Store. And now you also need BNB because it says we'll need BNB to get the MyKitty token. So now you want to go and download Binance from the App Store, and you should have the Binance Lite version. It's really easy to use, super simple. All you gotta do is get the Binance app, and from there you want to click on BNB. Kind of looks like Robinhood. Click on trade. Everything is green today. That's really interesting. Click on buy one, buy it, and you can directly pay via card. Takes like 1.8% fees for card, 0 for bank transfer, 0.1% for spot trading. And yeah, you can start trading crypto. If the video helped you out, give me a like. And I want to see you in one of the next videos. Bye.